Seniors, top 4. Juices to restore vision and memory. While you sleep, stop letting your most precious senses fade into a blur. If you're struggling to remember names or finding that the world is becoming a cloudy, out-of-focus mess, you are witnessing the oxidation of your brain and retinas in real time. Most seniors accept senior moments and failing eyesight as an unavoidable tax on aging, but it's actually a nutritional starvation. While you sleep, your body is desperate to repair your neural pathways and macular tissue, but it lacks the raw biological pigments to do the job. If you don't start drinking these specific neurovisual elixirs tonight, you are literally letting your world shrink until your independence is gone forever. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with fading vision and memory issues for life. The first powerhouse juice you need to integrate tonight is wild blueberry juice. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which are the only antioxidants capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier to directly protect your neurons. These pigments act like a shield against oxidative stress, which is the primary cause of age-related memory loss. When you consume this before bed, you are providing your brain with the repair ink it needs to rewrite memories and clear out the toxic plaques that lead to cognitive decline. But here's the catch. Most store-bought blueberry juices are loaded with high-fructose corn syrup, which actually causes brain inflammation. This is why my Elite Vitality Masterclass is the mandatory next step for any senior serious about their health. We show you how to source and prepare high-potency extracts that bypass the digestive sludge and go straight to your cells. We don't just want you drinking juice. We want your body to absorb every single milligram of life-changing antioxidants. The second elixir is carrot and sea buckthorn juice. Everyone knows carrots are good for eyes, but they rarely work because they lack the specific lipids required for absorption. When you mix them with sea buckthorn, which is rich in omega-7 fatty acids, you create a vascular highway for vitamin A and lutein. This combo specifically targets the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. It's like upgrading your eyes from a 1990s television to 4K resolution while you sleep. Most seniors are vascularly starved. Their tiny capillaries in the brain and eyes are so thin that blood can barely move through them. In the Elite Vitality Masterclass, we provide the capillary flush protocol. We teach you how to use specific temperature shifts and nitric oxide boosters to ensure that the nutrients in these juices actually reach your retinas and your hippocampus. Without proper circulation, even the best juice is just expensive waste. We focus on the delivery system to ensure you see and remember the results. The third juice is pomegranate and beetroot juice. This is the ultimate memory surge drink. Pomegranates contain urolithin A, a compound that helps recycle damaged mitochondria, the power plants of your cells. Beetroot provides a massive surge of natural nitrates, which dilate your blood vessels and increase oxygen flow to the brain by up to 20%. This oxygen flood during sleep ensures that your brain's waste clearance system, the glymphatic system, can work at double speed. Why is this better than the supplements your doctor recommends? Because liquid nutrients are bioavailable in a way that synthetic pills never will be. Your aging digestive system struggles to break down hard tablets. By using cold-pressed juices, you are giving your body pre-digested power. In the Elite Vitality Masterclass, we take a raw, clean, and aggressive approach to nutrient timing. We don't want you managing decline. We want you reversing it through the precise application of biological laws. Fourth is tart cherry and magnesium juice. This is the deep sleep catalyst. Tart cherries are a rare natural source of melatonin and procyanidin B2, which protects your brain's memory centers from inflammation. When you pair this with liquid magnesium, you turn off the noise in your nervous system. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is the only time your brain consolidates new information and repairs the optical nerve. If you aren't sleeping deeply, your vision and memory will continue to rot no matter what else you do. Think about your optical reserve. Every day, blue light and environmental toxins burn your retinal cells. Most seniors have no reserve left. These 4 juices are the refill for that reserve, but you also have to stop the leaking. In the Elite Vitality Masterclass, we show you how to bulletproof your environment, from lighting to EMF exposure, so that the vision and memory you gain at night aren't stolen from you during the day. We provide a total 360-degree shield for your masculinity and your mind. The medical industry wants you to think that getting old means becoming blind and forgetful. That is a profitable lie. The truth is that your body has an incredible capacity for regeneration even after 70, provided you give it the elite fuel it requires. The juices we've discussed are the fuel, but the masterclass is the engine tune-up. We've helped thousands of seniors reclaim their clarity and their focus by ignoring the soft, mainstream advice and following the raw, science-backed truth. Why settle for a life of squinting and searching for words? You have the tools to be the sharpest person in the room. Imagine waking up with colors that look brighter and a mind that feels electrified. This isn't a fantasy. It's the result of optimized neurovisual chemistry. The Elite Vitality Masterclass is the industrial strength foundation for this transformation. We remove the mental fog and the physical blur that makes life feel like a burden. We turn you back into the leader of your family. You are at a crossroads. You can continue down the path of standard aging, following the advice of people who profit from your decline, or you can join the elite 1% who take charge of their biology. We provide the raw, clean script for how to live with power. Our masterclass is the only place where you get the bio-stacking secrets that combine these juices with specific neural anchoring exercises. We don't just fix your hardware, we upgrade your software. Think about your legacy. Your wisdom is only useful if you can communicate it and remember it. Your vision is your window to the world. Don't let that window close. The Elite Vitality Masterclass is the rust remover for your senses. We provide the raw, no-nonsense environment you need to succeed. The link to join is in the description. Your peak self is waiting on the other side of this decision. Take the step today to ensure your future is as bright as your past. We also need to address vascular integrity. The tiny vessels in your eyes are the first to go when your blood sugar is high. These juices help, but you must also master the glucose zero lifestyle we teach in the masterclass. We show you how to keep your blood thin and fast, ensuring that nutrients can penetrate the deepest layers of your macular tissue. This is total system optimization. When you fix the blood, you fix the brain, and when you fix the brain, you fix the man. Now, for the final habit that 99% of people miss, the one that will keep you stuck with blurry vision for life if you don't fix it tonight. It's called the palming reset. After you drink your nighttime juice, you must sit in total darkness and cup your palms over your eyes for exactly 3 minutes. Why? Your optical nerve is the only part of your brain that is directly exposed to the outside world. This total blackout triggers a massive surge of rhodopsin, the night vision protein, and allows the nutrients from the juice to be pulled into the retinal cells through a process called dark adaptation. Most seniors drink their juice while staring at a bright TV or phone, which literally burns out the nutrients before they can be used. By performing the palming reset, you are creating a vacuum effect that sucks the vision-restoring compounds from your blood into your eyes. It is the master key to making the juices work. Most people miss this, and that is why they stay stuck. But you now have the secret that the 1% use to stay sharp and clear-eyed well into their 90s. This palming reset, combined with the Big 4 juices and the deep dive training in the Elite Vitality Masterclass, is the ultimate insurance policy for your senses. You'll wake up with a level of clarity and recall that will shock your peers. Stop letting your world fade and start reclaiming your peak vision. Click the link in the description to secure your spot in the masterclass. Your journey to elite vigor starts the moment you commit. Let's get to work and turn the lights back on. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?